Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another video, baby! Ladies and gentlemen,
Boys and girls,
we are back! Back with another quick, easy peasy recipe.
You're not even lying.
Make sure y'all hit that like, comment, and subscribe button because you're gonna love it. Today, we are making homemade
Pizza!
Guys, let's jump right into this recipe before we waste time. You know, our Chef Sam like to blah, 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 blah. None of that.
Don't listen to him. I don't like to talk all the time.
Hey.
But I do want to say... Alright, never mind. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
No.
You already proved my point. You proved my point. Go ahead.
Come on.
Go ahead. No, but she do like to say, guys.
No.
Okay. Guys, so like I was saying, we jumping right into this recipe. I'm going to tell you what you need to make this homemade pizza. Guys, today we are making homemade pizza with Pillsbury Crescent rolls.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Say it again. What?
Ooh, with Pillsbury Crescent rolls. Guys, if you ain't got pizza dough, you don't know how to knead or knit and all that other nonsense, go to the supermarket, pick you up a can of Pillsbury Crescent rolls.
Yeah, let's see. Look at that.
Guys, so you're going to need your Pillsbury Crescent rolls. You're going to need your pepperoni, your sausage, your bacon, whatever kind of meat. Our kids only like pepperoni, so we're making a pepperoni pizza. But if you like sausage, chicken, anchovies, pineapples, get all
ham, peppers, onions.
Get all those ingredients. Guys, you're going to need your pizza sauce. We got about a big bowl of mozzarella. That was a whole block. What was that, like 8 ounces?
8 ounces.
We grated it up. Last but not least, you know you want your pizza to have flavor. So we got some Italian seasoning. So guys, these are the ingredients you're going to need to make this homemade recipe. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And it's about to go down.
Chefettes. Guys, we are about to put this crescent dough on our baking sheet because that's going to be our crust of this pizza. It's going to be so simple. Make sure you got like, commenting, subscribing, hitting that notification bell. I'm going to spray our pan with some
non-stick spray.
Yes, because we don't want it to stick, right?
Yeah, baby.
You know what I love about these things, these Pillsbury things? It always like pops.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh,
some of them.
Oh, shh. Guys, quiet. We're listening.
2 hours later.
I don't.
Oh!
See, I told you.
You thought you were lying.
No.
So what are you doing right now?
So I'm just taking it out. Y'all can see I'm going to show you a ball. You see some, it has like triangles. If you could see, can you see the little triangles?
Yeah, the crescent rolls are triangles. No, we're going to come in.
Come in, yeah.
We can't see.
You want to start at the sheet. So the sheet starts there. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to unroll it at the sheet. Because we're making a pizza, right? So we need the whole thing flat out. We don't want the triangles.
That's true.
Look at this. And you're just rolling it out. Look at this. Look at this. Just rolling it out. And we like to leave a little crust on the side, right? Because pizza has crust, right?
Yeah.
Do you eat the crust, Chef Trini?
I hate the crust.
You hate the crust? How so? Why?
Don't worry about me.
I like the crust. If you get a crust that has some good flavor.
Imagine if we rolled the crust up and stuffed it.
Next time.
Okay.
Next time.
But look, I see a little gaps and stuff.
That's okay. It's dough. So dough, you could just mush it together.
Oh, show us.
I'm gonna show you. Don't rush me.
Oh, sorry.
Don't rush me. Okay. Perfection takes time.
Yeah.
All right. Look at this.
Don't forget to tell them, guys.
Look.
They're preheating the oven. Oh, I see you closing it. Don't forget to tell them to preheat that oven.
I don't got to tell them. You just told them.
I didn't tell them.
Oh, guys, don't forget. I'm preheating the oven for 350 degrees.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Thank you, my lady.
You're welcome. So what I'm gonna do, right? Making sure there's no holes in this. We don't want no holes. We want it to rise nice and full. Okay. So we're gonna cook this. The pizza, like Chef Trini told you, is gonna take about 12 minutes. We're gonna cook this 5 to 6 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees. Then we're gonna take it out and we're gonna show you what it's going to look like.
All right.
Look at this. You see this? You see how I have the crust up on the side?
I see you closing all the gaps and the holes.
All the gaps, all the holes. Do that.
And now what you're gonna do?
Put it in this oven for 350 degrees for 5 to 6 minutes, and I'm gonna show you how amazing it looks. Stay tuned. Right. It's been 5 to 6 minutes, and we took out our dough, our crust. Look at this. Look, see how nice that looks? It has to go back in for another 5 to 6 minutes, guys. So what I'm doing, right, is just pushing it down in case there's any bubbles, any air in between the crust. You really don't want that. But ours is amazing. Oh, except here. Okay? Now we're gonna take our
Pizza sauce.
And we're just gonna put some right on this bad boy.
Pour all that sucker on. Yeah, you know we like it saucy.
You like it saucy?
Oh yeah. Listen, if this was in a video, I was putting water in that jar, shaking it around, and getting everything out that jar.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yes, he would have been. So if you don't have a spreader like this, you can use a brush like this. Either one will do. You use the brush.
Can you make sure you get all that sauce out?
Huh?
Don't waste no sauce. Make sure you get all that sauce out of that damn jar.
Don't worry about the sauce. There's no, look, you know what he sounds like? He sounds hungry. Like he want to put
That's not hungry. That's frugal.
He wants to put his finger in there.
No, that is not hungry. It's
empty. It's empty.
It's frugal.
It's good.
We waste nothing.
All right. You want some sauce on your crust, Chef Trini?
Don't waste nothing. Put sauce on everything.
Yeah.
I'm coming in.
Give it flavor. I'm coming in.
in.
How amazing this is. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This takes no time and it's such a good, you can have this as a snack, for Super Bowl, for your kids, for their guests, their friends. When you don't want to cook dinner, make this for your man. You're like, this is your dinner.
I don't eat that. Don't give me that shit.
Eat this shit and like it.
Don't give me that.
Look at that, real quick. 1, 2, 3.
I want a cooked meal.
This is a cooked meal. I'm gonna cook this.
Oh, okay.
Now we have our mozzarella cheese. Look at that. Oh,
Yeah, extra cheese, pepperoni.
Oh yeah. So
All
we're just
that.
gonna sprinkle this on.
A little
We
bit of
have
cheese.
an extra cheese on our stuff.
Yeah, make sure you guys save some cheese
What are we gonna do with the extra cheese?
to cover the pepperoni. Duh.
Oh, so you want cheese, pepperoni, and then cheese again?
Duh. Extra cheese.
I like how you think.
We coming in. We gotta see what you're doing.
Of course, come see. A little bit more here. We gotta get all these holes. We gotta get all these holes.
Yeah, you're right. Facts.
All right. That looks good. That looks so good. That looks real good. Chef Trini, you see how I miss any holes?
Looking good to me.
Looking good. Looking real good. Guys, we have pepperoni here. We're just gonna put it nice across. But you can put as many pepperoni, as much toppings as you like. We're just gonna put pepperoni. We have about 28 pepperonis here. Oh, not 29.
You called the pepperoni.
That's not the pepperoni. Look at this. Real quick. Just throw them on. Guys, have y'all made anything quick like this?
I know, quick, easy peasy.
You know what I'm thinking? That even with those crescent rolls, we can make pizza rolls instead of a whole pizza.
Yeah.
We could do that. We can show y'all how to do that next
Say
time.
that for next time.
Next time. Let me just spread out these pepperonis so it looks a little nicer.
Yeah, don't forget to sprinkle a little more cheese.
I will.
Oh, cool.
No.
Oh, don't do that.
Oh, okay.
Don't.
Okay.
Don't.
Oh,
Just,
cool.
just record.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Please.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
I got too far.
Please. Very far. Very far. Look at that.
Oh, we coming in.
If that is not perfection.
We coming in.
That looks so good. That looks damn good. All right, I'm gonna sprinkle more cheese. You ready?
Yeah, buddy.
And then I'm gonna put just a little bit of an Italian seasoning on top of that boy.
Oh yeah, you can't forget the seasoning.
Can't forget the
We
seasoning.
need some flavor in there.
Oh yes. Look at that.
Damn, you used all that cheese.
I
What
did.
the holy moly?
Oh my God. Our kids like it cheesy.
Guys, if you lactose intolerant, this ain't for you.
All right, so and then we just have some Italian seasoning. I'm just gonna put just a little bit, right?
This ain't for you.
Give it some flavor. And then guys, look, y'all see this? I'm gonna put this bad boy in the oven at 350 for 5 to 6 minutes, real quick, and I'm gonna show you how amazing it's going to look. It's so good, guys.
Pizza's done!
And it smells divine. It smells like we're in an Italian restaurant.
Can y'all see? Can y'all see? Can y'all see this deep dish Pillsbury Crescent rolls pizza? Come on, let me do a thumbnail. All right, guys. Yo, guys, I hope you guys like this recipe.
Yeah.
Make sure.
Oh, you're melting the cheese.
Oh. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, turn on the notification bell. So important.
Oh, this thing hot.
And tell a friend next time to come join you and watch cooking comedy with you. They will not forget it.
That's it, guys. And we are out.